Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete Steam cloud saves. So it's very easy and simple. Just simply watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, open up Steam and then head over to your library, and right over here just find the game that you want to delete the cloud save for. So let's say I want to delete cloud save for Call of Duty. Just simply press on that and then press properties. Once you do that, you'll see the options of the game. So if you have downloaded the game, you'll see the cloud save option just like this on the box. So I don't currently have downloaded any game whatsoever, so you will not be able to see this option if you haven't downloaded the game. But if you have downloaded the game, you just need to simply turn that option off, the cloud save. It will say that if you want to turn off the cloud save, you can just simply do that and it will get turned off. And after that, you just need to find its installed location. So basically, yeah, again you need to install the game for it. So I haven't installed any game on my Steam, but it will just show you its installed location, and you need to go to its folder. Once you go to its folder, like for example, I'm just using this for example, and let's say you want to go for a game, and inside games you'll see the folder for save. So right over here, as you can see, it says Win64 save. You gotta delete the save option, and once you delete it, you're good to go. And this is basically it on how you can delete cloud save. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.